Panguva inoi, the son of President Mnangagwa, panguva inoi over scrutinized. Panguva inoi kunzi he is being involved in setting up maparo structures in the Zimbabwe National Army. Zapina mashukwan muda toko panguva inoi nema adi 2030 lieutenants achwa exposer what is taking shape and what is happening behind the scenes. Don't go subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Wanabuda chumpost chamzara nas where President under 2030 chukura shikananda muda nyara chiti. Reports of Major Sean Mnangagwa allegedly forming parallel structures within the ZNA are deeply concerning. Such actions undermine military command and pose a serious security threat to Zimbabwe. National Army commanders must act now to denounce these moves and uphold order. Though Makos argued Nema at 2030 lieutenants at Yati, Panguva inoi, the ZNA, Panguva inoi must take action, otherwise it will be compromised. These guys, they will come and influence them to make decisions at the end of the day, and carry against the view of the people, punctuated their own view as the ZNA commanders. Panguva inoi chinokopunzi zvigananda zviri kushandisa mari at the moment kuti zvikwanise kuinfluenza vagari veZimbabwe, kuinfluenza the ZNA, kuinfluenza the ZDF. Panguva inoi kuti zviite zvido zvavo nezvido zvezvigananda towards attaining Vision 2030. Noma developments aripo panguva inoi muZimbabwe. Botsa mafunguro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.